Hi, I'm Corbin from SerpApi. If you're a journalist, blogger, or creator, you might have published work on many different websites and platforms. It's not always easy to find all those articles, blog posts, or podcast transcripts again, and archiving them for offline preservation is another challenge. That's why we made Byline, a tool for finding and saving your published work across the web. Byline is available as both a web app and a command line application for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's also open source under the MIT license. With Byline, you just enter your name and the website with the published content and start a search. If there are any matching results, you can confirm the search and Byline will run through all the results and save them to a CSV spreadsheet file. Under the hood, Byline performs a Google web search using SerpApi's Google Search Engine Results API and continues through each page until it reaches the limit you configured or until there are no results remaining. That means it can find anything with your name on it that Google is currently showing in search results. Byline automatically converts Google's various date and time formats into standard ISO format, and it skips duplicate entries. You can customize your search with a start and end date, a maximum number of search results pages to load, and URL patterns to skip in searches. For example, if you're searching on a blog that creates pages for all tags with /tag in the URL, you may want to add that as a filter for fewer duplicate results. The CSV spreadsheet file created by Byline can be opened and edited in Microsoft Excel, Apple Numbers, LibreOffice Calc, Google Sheets, and other spreadsheet applications, or any plain text editor. That's your list of links to keep forever. You can also run Byline again with the same CSV file to add more entries. For example, if you saved all of your articles on August 1st and a few months later you want to check for newer entries, you could run Byline again with the same file with the start date filter set to August 1st. But what if you want to archive the contents of those links? After all, articles can vanish from websites or they can become broken and mangled with CMS migrations. Thankfully, Byline can help with that as well. After you have your CSV spreadsheet of links, Byline can optionally use an installed copy of Monolith, which is also open source, to create self-contained HTML page backups of each item. The backups are saved in one big folder with subdirectories organized into years, months, and days. When it's done, you can copy that folder to your preferred cloud storage solution, an external drive, a NAS, or other location. You aren't limited to that backup method either. The CSV spreadsheet of links created by Byline can be imported into many other tools like ArchiveBox, or you can submit the individual URLs to the Internet Archive's Wayback Machine. You can use Byline at byline.apps.serpapi.com in your web browser. The web app does not currently support editing existing CSV files or backing up the contents of links, but the command line version has those features. The Byline command line application is available to install from the npm package repository on any Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. Don't be scared by the terminal. There are detailed instructions for installing and using it, even if you've never used a command line tool before. Byline requires a SerpApi account, which as of the time of recording includes 250 free search credits each month. That means Byline can go through approximately 250 pages of Google search results at no cost to you. This is an open source project on GitHub under the MIT license, so you can read through the code, make feature requests and bug reports, or use it as the foundation for other software projects. It's just one example of the great tools you can build with SerpApi.